I'm Debbie Ritchie. I'm from Salem Middle School. I teach 8th grade science. How do our classes scaffold together to make them work and help us choose what we want to take? In math, you have to take math every single year that you're in high school. So you have to have 4 math credits. There are choices in your math. You can take algebra, algebra 2, geometry, trig, calculus. You have all those choices. Some schools offer math 9. So you have to figure out exactly what math classes are going to work for your career path. So, but math is a building process. It builds upon itself. So you can't just take algebra and then go straight into trig. You have to have that building. You can't build a house without a foundation. So if you don't have a math 9 class and you start straight with algebra, you're going to go from algebra to geometry 2, maybe to college algebra. If you're in honors classes, your honors classes will be a little bit different. And then you'll have trig and calculus. If you're taking a career path where you need that higher math. So you have to pay attention to where your career path is so you know which math courses that you need. If you don't need a heavy math load, don't take a heavy math load. Don't put that kind of stress on yourself. Take those lower math classes. Take algebra 1, algebra 2, and geometry, and then take consumer math or another math class that won't be as stressful for you. Take the math classes that you're required. In science, you're going to have earth science, chemistry, Chem 2, biology. Science isn't as scaffolding or as building as math is. It doesn't necessarily have that foundation until you take biology, until you take chemistry 1, chemistry 2, biology, advanced biology. If you take physiology, if you take those kind of classes, they'll kind of build on each other, but astronomy and biology, they don't necessarily fit together like hand in glove. But again, think about what you're going to do. If you want to go into nursing, do you need to take astronomy? They don't really balance together. But if you want to go into nursing, you need to take the biology and the advanced biology and anatomy and physiology, not earth science and astronomy. So remember, what is it that I want to do? And then follow that pathway whenever you're choosing your science classes as well. And then for English, with English, it's English 1, English 2, English 3, and then honors English. And then your senior year, you have some choices. You can take speech, technical English, you can take writing classes. There's even journalism, film studies, creative writing, lots of choices then. What do you want to do? Again, you're going to go back to that. What is it that I want to be when I grow up? So that I remember, what pathway do I need to take? Do I want to do something do I want to be a writer? Do I want to study journalism? What is it that I want to do? Is speech important? Am I going to do something where I'm going to be talking in front of people? Because if I am, then I'm going to need a speech class. So think about those pathways. Think about what it is I want to be when I grow up, and then follow that path so that you're prepared and you're ready. It'll make your life a whole lot easier as you get ready to move on to a university or a technical school or even to that 2-year degree.